Okay, let's see. So... see. Okay, cool. That's going, and then I need to update it on Twitch too. Where's my Twitch dashboard? Here we go. Oh, thanks for the follow. Okay, and then software and game development. There we go. Okay, cool. We're good to go. Shit. Okay. Wait, why can't I moderate my chat? What the fuck? Oh, wait. No, never mind. Hang on. Bye-bye. No promo here. Okay, so... it might be a little bit noisy. I'm working on a 3D print currently. Let me show you actually how that's going. Use my lights up a bit so you can see it, and yeah, I got a little container that I'm working on. I don't know, I like making cool little container props, and they're always useful for like just keeping, you know, little parts in and stuff. It is, this is what it looks like finished, except, I'm doing it with like metallic red instead of metallic copper. So, I'm pretty excited. It's gonna look cool. I had an idea. Maybe what I'll do is, you know, some like cosplayers or whatever will keep like little chocolates and stuff in there. So what I think I might do is, I'm probably gonna use that as like my omiyage, like, hey, I'm cosplaying, take one, you know, kind of box. It's kind of tricky to like keep a lot of things on you when you're cosplaying, so maybe I won't end up using it, but it could be like useful for keeping like cos cards and like candy and stuff like that in there. You can't really, maybe you can't hear, but I got like the little rods. They're like carbon fiber rods, so that's gonna be cool when it's done. I'll post pictures on my Insta. So yeah, it's going well. I'm printing it with PetG. I started using a new slicer software recently called Orca, so that's been pretty good. It's been pretty cool. And now, right now, what I'm working on is, well, I can minimize that. I can close my password manager for now. So right now, what I'm working on is, oh, cool, it's working. I made a little, automation that would like automatically post when I'm streaming, and I just got the ping for it, so it should be working now. So that's pretty cool. Right now, though, I'm working on my kind of social network project. Currently, it's called Recipra. I do plan on right now I'm just working on the data layer, which is called induction DB, and it's kind of like the part of the equation that like synchronizes everything and makes sure that like everybody has their data, you know. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Yeah, just kind of working on that, and I figured like I should stream it at the same time. I think it would be fun. So I'm learning Rust. It's not the easiest thing ever, but you know, like this is my first like Rust project, so I figured you know, it's as good of a place to start as anything. So I've got the documentation up. Right now, what I need to do is make a trait for different CRDTs. So the idea is that like, yeah. So no, Rust is so cool. So the idea is like, I want to be able to support. So this is like a database, like think of it like, how do I describe it? Think of it like any embeddable database, like what's it called? SQLite or anything like that, where you kind of like import it as a library and then you can just start like writing to a file. So it's gonna work like that, except it's gonna have like a network component to it where it can just synchronize with other clients through auto discovery and stuff. Yeah, it's a little complicated, but designing an avatar for VRC lately, which is entirely different, cool, and both ends out anyway. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, send it to me when you're... Send me, like, work in progress. I want to see. Yeah, and I've got my avatar open here. It's changed quite a bit since the last time I streamed. I decided what I'm gonna do is, like... I could model the shoes, but given that I usually only stream from the waist up anyway, it's kind of like I'd rather just focus on like the waist up for now and then come back to the bottom half later for like for 3D tracking streams and like VR chat and stuff like that. So plan right now is finish this up, texture it, and then, oh yeah, finish this up. So I only have like a few different details that I have to finish up, like the little hair braid, bows, like, you know, on the, I want to have bows for like the twin tails. I want to have like ruffles for certain details around like the edges of the clothes. I want to texture. So I want this part to be like some kind of lace pattern maybe. And maybe I won't do it in the V1, but in V2 I kind of want to. I just want to get something that I can stream with, because I've been working on this for so long that I feel like I'm going to lose my mind, and I'd rather like iterate on the same thing. So that's kind of my plan. And then after that, I just throw it into an auto rigger, hope the topology works, and should hopefully be good after that. So we'll see. Yeah, so right now I'm just working on this then. Do you have the clothing set as a separate asset? They're different objects, so like this is a different object, this is a different object. I can like make different clothes on top of the same base mesh. So I sculpted this base mesh by myself. Yeah, I can just like swap out like the hair and whatever. It's all kind of, you know, like toggleable. So yeah, because it's really difficult to do it all in one object. So I like to, like, it's more practical to do it this way, and that way you can like change the materials and, you know. So But yeah, so back to InductionDB. Right now, the kind of layout, my goal right now, you know, coding something like this is going to be like very overwhelming, right? Because there's a lot of things to do. And it's good to pick like a short-term goal. Like same thing with this, right? Like I just want a short-term goal. Get it done, get it working, get it practical to use, and then you can move on to the next thing. So that's kind of where I'm at too with this, where like I want to get something done so that I can like actually use it regularly and then build on top of that. So with this, my first step is to get this document thing working, and the idea is like, you know, every day, like most modern NoSQL databases have like kind of like a document kind of format where you'll have like collections and then you'll have documents. And documents usually conform to a certain schema or represents a certain collection of things. So my goal right now is to just get this document where, like, get two documents like syncing with each other. And so this is the test that I wrote. It's currently working. It shouldn't be working, but you know, that's just because I still need to flesh things out a bit. So if I go to the actual implementation itself of the document, it's pretty simple. So we've got an ID and a CRDT, and we'll have like other fields in the future as needed. We might have like a concept of like signing, so that like certain members can have like permissions on it and ownership and the like. So, but I'm not thinking about permissions right now. Like that you can always add on after the fact. Right now I just want the document syncing, and we can figure out the difficult part later. And this is usually how I tend to like build projects out, is like I have like a rough plan of how it's gonna work, but I don't like over planning, because like often with big ambitious projects like this, you end up kind of if you over plan, you end up kind of when I think if you overplan everything, you end up falling into a pit of despair of like, oh, it's not perfect yet, I don't want to start it. So you can't do that. Perfectionism is not good to chase after, right? So so I am currently focusing on like the small goal of just like, this is like a small enough scope that like I can do this all in my head and I don't have to think too hard about it. Like getting two documents syncing, like that I can figure out. So that's my goal. I started a little bit of this when I was still in LA. I actually really like kind of doing those like doing these trips where I'll kind of like go somewhere new and like, you know, change up my habits a bit. So I started a little bit of this while I was down in LA, and now I'm just kind of yeah, trying to just get this small little goal implemented. Analysis paralysis is the devil in many computing situations. Yes, it's like they say the two most difficult problems in CS are naming and cache invalidation, but I think a third one is just like planning and figuring out how you want to do something. I don't know, at least for me, like that's hell for me. I guess that's kind of like why it's its own role in its own right, you know? So yeah. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm getting good feedback. So I want bn, I want this test to fail if it's not working properly. That's pretty important, right? I want feedback that, you know. So so what I did is I have these two traits. I want BP no, and I can just use I'm also changing up the way I navigate in Vim, so I might be a little bit clunky with tab navigation still. So the first thing I want is for this to actually return something. So, so we're going to, in this situation, return self dot crdt dot, well, we need more than just this, because we need the ID too, so we need to just like have a way of serializing this struct. Let's see, is there a way to do that in Rust? Rust serialize struct. Because I know, like, oh god, this is like, this might be tough because now I'm like, oh, I have to pick like a serialization format. Good luck, thank you. Hello, unsafe ship. I see you in my replies all the time. Okay, so for now, what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll just return like, do I just like, I just want something and we can like implement it later. Is Saturday like, okay, it's a trait. Oh, this seems nice. Okay. So, derive, automatically generate serialized implementations. Okay, so Saturday seems to be pretty good. Does it support like protobuf? It does. Let's see. Is it well supported? Winter Green Doll, normally with Saturday derives serialized to serialized. Oh, okay. It's pretty solid, but maintainer is kind of a Palantir boy. Oh. You. I don't like Palantir boys. I had a friend who worked at Palantir, and like, she hated how toxic the culture there was. Oof. Also, welcome, Wintergreen Doll. I hope you enjoy your stay. Palantir boy, huh? Let's see. Okay. Rust crate. No, not the video game Rust. That would be funny if I just changed my like now playing game to like to Rust. I feel like I have to start typing like Rustlang whenever I search for these things. Serialize. Swiss table hashmat. Yeah, I guess there's not really much else what I would do besides the Saturday, so I'm just gonna... It would be nice to be able to, like, change out the encoding. D2... Specifically, that said, Saturday is likely to be the easiest stable thing. I haven't seen a lot of good alternatives, and I use it myself. Okay. If it's good enough for you, then it's good enough for me. I will take your recommendation. Okay, so third day. So I guess in this case we just derive it. We might not even have to, if it's just a standard trait, then oh, okay, I see how this works. Okay. So first step we need to do is add the crate. Okay. Forgot how to add a crate. So we're just gonna type Saturday. Okay. Is this? Oh, okay, okay, that's the guy. Okay. Oh, he lives in the bay. It's not terribly surprising, but... Alright, so we got our crate. Now we can go over here and start using it, so... So actually, I can get rid of this wires dock eventually. I should actually move this over to... here. And... now we already have our struct, so... we just need to implement the, this guy. Now the problem is I'm not sure if doc is serializable, so I need to either... Hi Mona! I hope you're doing well. IDK how I got signed in here, lol. You may need to enable a Saturday feature for the UID crate as well. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember that being a thing. So... so let's... cargo... No, not the lock. No! There we go. I'm okay, I just drove home in the rain and it's really wet. Oh, yeah, it was really gloomy out. Gosh. Good luck on your stream, thank you. Yeah, Mona, you can... well, I guess if it's your alt, you can always change your Twitch name if this is like the main that you use a lot, but it's okay. UID. Yeah, you can change your Twitch name. I think it's in user settings somewhere. So if you just want to change it to m.momoyu. Yeah. Or Momoyu or whatever is available, I don't know. What features are available? Other features. Saturday! There we go. Oh shit, the cops are coming for me. I can probably just make a new Twitch for my IRL streams. You can, but I think it's a little bit... I don't know, I wouldn't be surprised if it was easier to like, I wouldn't be surprised if it was easier to just like, keep your existing account, because then you have to like manage a bunch of accounts and you have to figure out who to raid, and then you might not be following everybody. I don't know. I just I use my Twitch account to just like chat. But if you don't like having your like stream identity in like other people's chats, then maybe it'd be worth. Me personally, I'm a whore. I love it when people like recognize me. So yeah, because like Twitch is such like a social thing that if you're not like popping into other people's streams every now and then and saying hi, especially with like friend streams. I can't find the email I used to create this account. Wait, what? What? You know, you lost your email? You're my only streamer friend. Okay. But like, that's what I mean though, is like you make new friends. Like, I pop into other... Like, sometimes if I have like a good viewer count going, I'll just raid somebody, like random. Even if like none of my friends are alive. And that's how you make friends. It's good. Cozy. Okay, so we got the UID Survey thing going. I don't think, Wires has a survey feature. I don't think it's... I think it's a little bit too, like... Let me see. I think it might be a little bit too green. Oh. Cannot convert to value. Da, da, da. I think, I don't think... Because if I remember correctly, Wires, which is like the CRDT that I'm using, I think it has its own, like, serialization function that you just, like, call. So if I go into, like... Well, actually, wait a minute. I can just implement the trait on a per CRDT basis. So what I'll do... Here's what I'll do. I need the implementation first before I add it here, but I'll just change the type here to CRDT. I think because this is in the same package, it should know? Question mark? We'll see. And then what I can do is let's make a folder for the different CRDT implementations. So we got that. Here's src/CRDT. And then touch. Oh, okay. So what we can do is so src/CRDT/irs.rs. Oh. Okay. So we need to do some refactoring. We can close that for now. So what we can do is maybe traits isn't the right tool for this? It should be. Okay, my brain hurts. Hang on. Let me make sense of this information. So, traits. So this is a CRDT. So what we're doing is we're saying, yeah, okay, cool. So we just need a struct for it and then implement the trait on the struct and then we should be good, I think. Because traits are like the equivalent of like interfaces. Right? What are type aliases? I'm not gonna think about that right now. Oh, type aliases are probably actual. Okay, it's like, all right. Okay, so we don't need the UID crate anymore. Here's the wires documentation. So yeah, they have a 2JSON and like how do you deserialize? Do they have the traits for upref? All right, let's see. Yeah, how do you deserialize it? Like you can. Okay, so you just do doc to JSON and then they just have 2JSON. How do you create it from JSON? Is it try from? What's block pointer? The heck is this? Value? Value seems to be like an internal. Oh, okay, so they have different. I see, okay. Maybe a try from string is like how you get it from JSON. Value. Fix me. Wait, what? This seems like it's the right function. Value. Okay. We're getting into the real tricky parts of Rust now. Love it. Let's just dive straight in. Okay. I guess it's just this value trait, huh? Oh, encode. Okay, maybe it's just encode. It's this encode trait. Create.updates.encoder. Encode decode. That's lib0 encoding. You know what? Maybe there's something in the higher level. How do you deserialize? Embedding, cursor, weak links. Undo. Past revisions. Decode. Yeah, maybe it's just this decode thing. Or encode and decode. I don't know what type it returns. State vector. Oh yeah, so I can probably just use this state vector thing to, yeah. I think I can, wait, no. Bro, I'm so confused. From the test, you might want any from JSON. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm getting a little bit distracted though, so... Cause like, regardless of what it ends up looking like, we still need this like, oh, Control P hasn't picked it up yet. Okay, so B, N, W, so let's, whoop, no, I think we should probably put the derive thing on the actual trait. Can you derive trait Rust? Yeah, how do I ensure like a trait? Or is that the wrong thing? Let's look at traits. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna think about it. God, okay. This is so bad, I get distracted so easily. There's so many things to like that I want to like dive into and understand. But CRDT. We can do that, right? Maybe actually, oh god, I'm not familiar enough with the type system in this language. Cause like normally, oh gosh, hang on, my brain is hurting. How does this work? Okay, I'm just gonna do this and see if the compiler complains. Okay. Uh... I think these are the same tabs, so I don't need that. Did I need that? Nope, I don't need that. Okay, sorry. Serialize in the scope. That's in document. So... Wait, really? But it's there. It's a trait without a derive macro. Huh? Oh, but there, I think I remember that being a feature, so let's just edit the cargo. Right? How do I manage features? Oh. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So... That's exactly what I needed. So smart at finding things. Oh! Okay, wait, no, it's building. Alright. Cannot find CRDT. Use of undeclared type, because that's because we moved it. Okay. Okay, so... E... So this isn't gonna be doc anymore, it's gonna be like... Let's just do that. And then I guess, like, I'll have to do, like, use... Would that work? No external crate. Wait, how? Oh, hang on. I have to figure out how to, like, pull in dependencies from, like, other files. Okay. This is like adding headers in C. All right. Do I have a mod statement including the CRDT file? Oh, you're right. I don't. Thank you. Lifesaver. Oh, and then I can just get rid of... It's like mod CRDT in your main file, and you might need a pub mod wires in the CRDT module itself so you can see through. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, it's a little different. The linker is a little different from what I'm used to with C++. But I'm glad I have... I'm glad you're around to, like, help me. Thank you. It's like pair programming. What you making? We're working on a... how do I describe it? It's like... this code... It's a database that you can use with, like... To write, like, other apps. But, basically, like, it adds, like, network functionality so you can, like, synchronize it between stuff. Yeah, so it's very useful. Yeah, I think I'm basically going to be using this to make a social network in the future. But right now I'm working on the data layer first. This is an old account. We know each other IRL. Pink hair, too many old Macs. We were going to get coffee this week, but I got COVID. Hang on. Oh, I know who you are. I know who you are. Thank you for your help. I know who you are now. Yeah, let's get coffee. Oh, I don't actually really drink coffee. But I like tea a lot. We can get coffee tea. Yeah, Rust is... I love Rust. like I feel like it, because like I could write this all in C++, right? And that would be easier because I already know C++. I know how the linker works. I wouldn't have to like go through this bullshit. But I like the idea of like Rust type safety and the fact that like you can very easily expose it to JavaScript. I think like being able to like take like the thing that I write in Rust and then be able to like write bindings for like any language I want is like super cool. And especially with something like this where you're working with data manipulation, you need that performance. I don't think I would be able to write this in JavaScript. Or like I could, but it wouldn't be able to handle nearly the same like amount of stuff. Rust is gay? Well, guess what, buddy? I'm gay too. You say that like it's a bad thing. Yeah, it's good. Exactly. Yeah, it's not gay pejorative. It's gay, like, good. No, my New Year's resolution is to be a conservative. Okay, buddy. Okay, bad cop. We're gonna defund you. We're gonna defund you. We're gonna take away your nice little military budget. Hee hee hee. Welcome to commie country. Yeah, conservative cop is kind of like a just don't take away my Twitch subs. No, that's how we're gonna defund you. Defund the police. Conservative, I feel like most cops are probably conservative. I don't know, like at least in the Bay, I've had good interactions with the cops when I've been to the sheriff's department. But take them away and give them to me? No, give them to me. I'll become an X.com streamer. No, you should. Okay, something really funny that I found out. Hang on, let me pull this up. Something. Yes, this. I don't have a LinkedIn anymore because I don't like that they sell my company, my information to recruiters. But yeah, you can stream. You can be a LinkedIn.com live streamer. You can check me out live, linkedin.com/Lilith Tepes. I'm here to answer all of your career-oriented team building questions. LinkedIn e-girls must be I want to be a LinkedIn e-girl. I wanna do like a hot tub stream on LinkedIn. Don't clip that. Please don't clip that. Don't clip that out of context. Fuck. Hang on, I need to blow my nose. That's good. If you have a power suit or an avatar with a power suit, you can be the most executive you can be. Yeah, I can like in the hot tub. Yeah, I can like wear a female suit in my hot tub and be an e-girl and be like, oh my god, did you see like the funding that X got on Crunchbase? It's so whack. Guys, oh, thanks for the Twitch sub, Elon Musk. Thanks for the X sub, dude. I can't even fucking finish it. Is that the next sub goal? My god, the E and E girl stands for executive. I want to die. I hate this bit. Can we? I fucking hate this. I fucking hate this. Yeah, that's right. I'm an E girl, an executive girl. Hashtag break the glass ceiling. That's my sub goal, break the class ceiling. uh, is that it? God. I hate this. I hate it. Yeah, Yana. God. I'm gonna be the Japanese version of LinkedIn is like recruit. I'm gonna become a recruit influencer. What? Anyway. Oh, God. Executive girl. Oh my God, hot tub stream with my besties. Over here we got Jessica, Fortune 500 CEO. Wait, who's that fucking exec at Facebook? Sheryl Sandberg? Oh my God, next to me I've got my bestie Sheryl Sandberg. Check out her book. Lean in. I don't know about you, but I want to lean into her titties. Help me. I fucking hate this. I'm actually kind of a Twitter influencer now, though. Okay, nice flex. Share some of the clout with the class, please. Don't forget me when you're famous and, you know, hang on. I'm not gonna give you the satisfaction of showing your EP number on screen, but wait, bad cop. Okay. Wait, you have the blue check mark? Oh my God. Blue check mark. $8 simp. Elon Musk simp. Okay, just don't forget us when you're big and famous and, you know. I just love Elon's Musk. It's disgusting. Yana. What was I doing? Okay, hang on. Bring it back in, alright. So... Oh yeah, let's check out my 3D print, because I have compulsions to... It's, hasn't failed yet. Oh no, what's this link? Oh no, you clipped something. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, bye, Jess. I'll watch that later. God. I'm scared. Sometimes the things that come out of my face or my mouth hole scare me. I'm afraid to look at. Like, it's easy for me to just like vomit it out like a baby bird into your mouth, but then like but then when I have to like smell my own vomit, it's like ugh. So that's how I sound like when I'm being a degenerate. You guys understand. I'm sure you do. You watch me. You're probably as much of a degenerate as I am. Okay. Rust. So we have this trait, we're just defining out, we want it... Well, I guess if we're deriving serialize and deserialize for this trait, then we don't need that. How's it compiling now? Oh, I probably need to like add a crate? No? Oh. Oh, I see. Wait. Alright. Alright. CRDT. So we have to fix this problem. Trait objects must use the dine keyword. Okay, here's probably what you want to do. Don't derive that stuff on a trait. You can derive on a struct because it's a real type. For a trait, you add a type constraint. Saying whatever implements your trait also has to implement D0. Oh, I like it. Trait CRDT D0. Ah, I like that. Okay. I like it. I like it. Wait, I didn't know that was a feature. Cool, okay. Trait oh, type. Wait. The plus sign always weirded me out in that syntax. Yeah, it's a little strange to me, but... but if it works, it squirts. Just like I'm squirting plastic onto my build plate right now. Anyway. Yeah, it is actually very hot, Bad Cop, because like, look at how hot it is. It's 255. That would burn you. Actually, that's not that hot. I think when I straighten my hair, my iron is at like 320. Wish someone would squirt plastic on my... Maybe start slow. Start with like hot wax. That's a better yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got our first YouTube viewer of the night. Welcome. Did they make wax printers? Actually, okay, they make chocolate printers. I remember this. I remember like, yeah. This shit. There's multiple different chocolate printers. So you could probably do the same thing with wax. I wouldn't be surprised. Or someone would squirt hot chocolate. Stop. I'm gonna ban you. It's pretty cute. I have like zero use for it, but it's pretty cute. I want chocolate now. Hmm? Sorry, I got distracted. Early pricing. Going to GDC this year. I definitely want to go to the after parties. I definitely want to go to the after parties for sure. If I get a badge, that'd be cool. I don't know if I want to pay for one right now, because they're kind of hella cash money, right? I don't know, like, if I was trying to build, like, industry connections, maybe it would be a good idea. I don't know. Should I go? You can get Friday only pass for 99. I'll think about it. I mean, I definitely, either way, I want to be a degenerate and go to all the after parties, because those are fun. I was a GDC speaker and made no useful industry connections. What? Wait, I didn't know that. That's so cool. Yes, definitely going to parties. Yeah, just go to the parties. Okay, yeah. I feel like I always meet really cool people at the GDC parties for sure. But like, I've never been to the event itself. Bad Cop bought me a badge one year, and I just like was not doing okay mentally and like just didn't go. So I think now that, you know, it's been a year, I've grown. I know how to like manage my sleep schedule. So like I'll be able to, I will be awake for some of the things. There's also stuff outside of the con hall itself that like I could go to too. There's been a lot of like women in gaming, like luncheons, however you pronounce that word. And I'm like, maybe I should go to those, but also like I've been to like women in engineering meetups, and like a lot of the girls there, they're nice, but they're not the most interesting people. But maybe GDC would be different. I feel like gamers are like a little bit more off-kilter, a little less like corporate. Women be engineering. Like, that is cool that you got a free badge. Damn. Can I like photocopy it and just like, boop. Game developers are all deranged, it's true. Yeah, no, like honestly, I feel like if you're a woman and you're willing to put up with like how shitty the game industry is, like you have to be a little deranged. But like those people are interesting. Tech, it's like, it's not as bad. Right? Am I crazy? Am I being misogynistic? I don't know. But this is just my opinion. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, one of the Godot leaders DM me and, hey, one of GDC pass. Fuck. I'm jealous. Wait. Can you invite me the next time you go to a Godot meetup? Because they seem like really cool people. I wanna be homies with the open source people. They seem cool. The fact that they're making an open source game engine and it's like doing really well, especially after like the whole Unity bullshit, like that sounds so good. I don't know any around here. That's okay. I mean, like during GDC. Like, let's go to the Godot meetup together. I want to do that. It sounds fun. My roommate is trying to start a meetup in Babe, but it's very small and nobody cool shows up yet. I'll show up. I'm cool. I'll invite some game dev friends. Not even me? Okay, well. That sounds like a personal problem. It sounds like you need to work on that. Good old developer plus Chroma simp user group meeting. I don't have simps, I have thrall. It's very different. It's at Noisebridge and I can invite you to their Discord. Oh, I've been to Noisebridge before. Yeah, invite me to the Discord. Just DM me. I'll join it after the stream. Yeah, I've been wanting to go to Noisebridge and like some other hacker spaces more. It's just like, I don't know. I need to get into the habit of like just going out like and not giving a shit about how I look. Cause like, I feel like especially at like, hackerspace stuff, you know, I don't need to get dolled up. I can just go. It's alright. I just stay inside now, it's bad. Yeah. Like, I'm not too bad, but I guess like just... Like, I do get out a good amount, but like, I definitely have a lot of like the agoraphobia of just like, oh, I don't want to go. I'm just gonna go there and like, nobody's gonna talk to me. And like, there's gonna be somebody else who's way cooler than me that like everybody will fawn over instead. And like, oh, what's the point? But like, come on, like, it's not a contest. You're there to like just chill and connect and make friends. Like, I need to stop. Like, I'm my own I create my own prison. So I need to, so like what I've been finding helps is like, you know, in therapy, I work on like the underlying mindsets that like cause that to come up and flare up. You know, I work on myself like to kind of, you know, make sure that like I'm not falling behind my friends who I think are cooler than me. In some aspects, like, you know, obviously I don't compare myself to everybody, like I don't measure myself, but some of my friends have like, you know, have more success in certain areas than I do, and I'm like, damn, I don't want to be left behind. I want to work hard. I don't want to be forgotten by them when they move on to bigger and better things. So like, you know, so I work on that stuff. Try not to think too hard about it. And then like, yeah, in therapy, I work on the underlying like mindsets that are like not serving me. And then like on days where I wake up and I'm like, what's the point? I just pop some of my ADHD meds. Prescription, they're not illegal, but you know, sometimes when you got like the dumb hunter brain mentality, you gotta, you know, you gotta pop your pills, so. I give myself a performance review once a quarter. I put myself on a PIP. What is wrong with you guys? I'm currently not meeting expectations. Don't stop. Don't do that. Don't be corpo-brained. That's nobody. Why would you inflict that on yourself? Okay, I'm giving you guys a performance review right now. You're all wonderful, you're all doing your best, and that's all that matters. You meet expectations in my heart. The first list of what's going wrong is the first half of the... I mean, okay, if you mean like... what happens if you fail the performance improvement plan? Wait, don't answer that question, don't answer that question. Fuck. Don't answer that question, please. Yeah, bye. We gotta cross that bridge when we get there. No, no bridges. You better not jump off any bridges. Also, you can either use Dyne object for a trait, small, or you can use parameterize the doc type with the param as whatever security type you're using, so other thing. Oh, I see what you mean. I guess we can burn the bridge. No, don't burn the Bay Bridge. I need to get to, I need to be able to cross still. And, you know, if I need to go places. Yeah, don't burn the Bay Bridge. I think a lot of people would get very mad at you. Arson can be a fun group activity, I think. Yeah, but like, let's start a little smaller. I think I'm just gonna do the Dine object because I'm too stupid to understand the other thing yet, but we'll get there soon. Nobody actually uses the Golden Gate Bridge. That's just for tourists. I use it a good amount actually, but it's because I have appointments. I have appointments up north in North Bay, and also like one of my friends used to live up there, but they moved, so I only really go up to Marin County like for one person. Actually, I saw a bobcat in Marin County once. That's cool. I want like a wildcat familiar. If I was like crazy, which I'm not, so don't worry. But I would love to have a serval. Like, I love the idea of having like a serval familiar. The problem is that they're not very tameable. But if I could like talk to cats, I would love to have a serval. You've never seen the serval? Hang on. I watched so many videos of these. Yeah, look at how big this fuck is. It's so fucking big. Yeah, they're really energetic. The problem too is that if you don't like spay or neuter them before they hit puberty, they'll like spray all over your house to mark it. And like, again, they have a lot of energy, so if they get bored, they'll start like destroying your house, which is very easy. So you need like, they have the same dumb hunter brain that I do. Okay, I take it back, kind of me IRL. Yeah. Wait. What? Yeah, I love servals. They're so cool. Wait. Wait, have my headphones not been connected this whole time? It's
okay. He's a baby.
They're so cute though.
Come here, baby.
Okay. I'm more like that puppy. Aw. Yeah, I think I love the little like chain the puppy has. It's kind of like funny. Yeah, they're fucking big.
What even is this?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanted it clear.
They're so big. They're like dogs.
Hi.
I'm just realizing my capture is at like 2 frames a second and I have no idea why. Maybe it's because Blender's running? My CPU usage seems okay. No dropped frames. 60 FPS. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's the capture method I'm using. He's a big baby.
Hi.
Morale. I love Servaloaf. Yeah, that's literally what I was just talking about, the spraying. Servals need a lot of exercise, including... Yeah, that's what I was just saying. Well, we live in a place where servals are legal. Good old California, where you can get a serval, but you can't get a... you can't get a lot of firearms. Yeah, you can't easily rehome them. You need a special vet for them. Yeah, they might not like new people. Well, servals... Okay, so if I were to get one of these things, I would get a Savannah cat, which is like a hybrid between a domesticated cat and a serval. But like... I want... Work around, there's nothing in the rollback. The serval can't have a gun. True. True. Yeah, so... Oh, I love this video. I love this video. Like the... Meow. Meow. Like the cat just wants to chill and have friends. The dog's like freaking the fuck out. Meow. Meow. He's so cute. I love. Oh, he just wants friends. Why is the Doberman so fucking mean? Yeah. Yeah, chill. Happy. Happy. Friend. Oh yeah, servals really love swimming too. Oh god, sorry for the ear cancer. Okay, let me lower the volume. Okay, I'm headed off to bed and all. Thanks for streaming, Lil. Thank you for coming by. Hope you sleep well. Wait, it's already 1 AM. I didn't realize. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, servals love water. I've seen like I've seen Savannah cats that have like silver coats and they're so pretty. Like I love, like I would love to have one, but I don't know. Like I just want a really big cat. Like that's the only thing that I want. I want a cat that is like the same scale that I am IRL. Like that's all I want. I want a cat that I can like cuddle and hug and it like, you know, and maybe something that like if like a stranger or like somebody were to rob me, it would scare them a little. Like that's all I want. Maine Coon or Norwegian Forest way chiller, same size. Maine Coons aren't as threatening though. Like if you walk in and you see a Maine Coon, like you'd be like, oh fuck, that's a big cat, but it's like a puffball, right? But like serval or like a Savannah cat, or even like an Ossa cat, like you see that shit and it's like, oh fuck, I'm gonna fucking get mauled by this thing. I don't know. I don't know. Don't get a pair of... Or get a pair of basic SPCA rescue kitties. They'll love you forever and don't worry about them eating your couch as much. Yeah, actually, so, there are a good number of like Ossa cats and like Savannah cats on Pet Finder. So I was looking at a few of those, but a lot of them are in Arizona, so I'd have to like go pretty far to get them. But I don't mind if it's like if it's something that I really love. I don't mind traveling if it means like, you know, getting like the thing that I want. I don't know. Maybe I can just tell like the adoption people like, hey, just give me your biggest fucking cat. Just fuck me up. I was looking through Pet Finder and like I saw something horrible. I did search for like large cats because I'm like, yeah, I want like a big lanky ass cat, right? And like this poor animal, like I feel like the owner, this is like a next like special type of evil. Like the owner like had this like really large cat, and you could tell that it was like definitely being overfed, and like the owner just named it Tubbs, and I'm like, Tubbs, what the fuck? Like, if you have enough awareness to know that it's like a big fat cat and it's like unhealthy, yeah, poor Tubbs. Like, that's just like that's just a slap in the face. Or was its name always Tubbs and you just like fed it to like so that it embodied its name? I don't know. I don't like it either way. That cat's traumatized and I feel bad, and I hope it gets a new forever home. It's nice and healthy. And I hope it gets a better name. Ugh. Poor Tubbs. I still think about them. Did I do that right? Oh, I see. Okay, I know this isn't what it is, but whenever I see the green highlighting, I'm like, ooh, I'm doing good. I'm winning. Oh, that's a lot of output. Oh, fuck. That's the other downside of Dyn types. Try box Dyn CRTT to heat allocate it. Okay. Oh, so there's a downside. Okay. So, in that case, I can just do the parameterized... No. I can do the parameterized thing that you were saying, because I guess that's, like, cleaner. I don't know, which do you think would be cleaner? The parameterizing it or Dyn type? Because it was the first thing that you recommended, so I'm like, oh, maybe. I do the type parameter thing, honestly. Okay. So... let me... So, let me reread the message. The doc type with a type param that is whatever CRDT type. Oh, I see. So it's like a template. Okay. Well, also this should be... it should be that. Yeah, exactly. Like a template. Yeah, okay. Now you're speaking my language. I know. I know how templates work in C++. I just didn't know how that worked in Rust. So okay. Uh. Wait, what file was that in? CRDT. And I guess if I did that, I don't need to make it public. CRDT is a type. The module name is CRDT. Okay. Yeah, so like, oh, hang on. Yeah, so this is like the structure, the file structure that I have. Um, uh, Wait, no. Cargo test, I'm stupid. So wires is... Maybe I don't need that part? Nope. Man, this is confusing. So CRDT exists. Do I need to, like, do that in lib? So mod CRDT. Do I do mod CRDT in SRC CRDT? Do I do it in both lib and... No, because I probably could create a cyclical dependency? Oh, pubmod wires. So module is just a file, right? Is that how that works? That's so weird. Okay. Sort of. I need to like, I think that's one thing that I need to like kind of dive into off stream is just like read up on like how the heck this, all these like file things work. Mod directives have to form a tree so every file is reachable from the compilation root. Okay. That makes sense to me. So since I don't want people to import wires through this, I'm just gonna be like crdt : wires. So that'll be that. And then we have pubmod crdt. Okay, cool. That should... Okay, this is starting to click now. This is starting to make sense to me. Okay. So in every, like, route, you have to, like, define out... Okay, this is starting to make sense in my head. Thank you. Cargo test. So we need a type there. We need a lifetime parameter, which I remember is the thing. This has been so helpful, by the way. Thank you so much for all of the support and help. Just parameterize the doc type with the param that is whatever is CRD type. Okay. Okay. So, I am learning. Okay, and then down here, and then let me know if I'm backseating too much and I'll shut up. No, 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 no. This is like, I love pair programming so much. Like, seriously. I wish it was like more normal, but sadly managers think that it's inefficient. And this is like a very useful like run through of like how this all works. I'm sure like the other people who know a thing or two about programming are like finding it useful too. Cause like, I don't know, Rust for a lot of people ends up like being this like very mystical thing to a lot. And so like, you know, having like a little run through of like, okay, here's how the module system works. Here's how like the lifetime stuff works. It's helpful, I'm sure. Here's where the lifetime stuff comes in. DCR doesn't both have lifetime parameters, so CRDT needs one too. Right on. Okay. That makes sense. I'm gonna think about that in a bit. I just want to make sure that I'm doing the template stuff correctly. Which it seems like I'm not. I can actually take this now that we actually did it. I'm guessing to actually use the template, I can't just write T, it has to be something else. Okay. That makes sense. I need to fix my chat widget. I don't know why it's, I don't know why it's escaping that stuff incorrectly. Um... Oh, okay. Build it. Yeah, let me just clear out. Oh my god, there's so many. Visibility. Oh, okay, so that makes sense. That's an easy fix. Actually, wait, hang on. I have like an error thingy. Uh, then... Oh. You saw nothing. You saw nothing! I guess I'm editing the VOD later. Yeah, no, I'm gonna clip it out of the VOD. Um... Where am I? Oh. I guess I don't have one for languages, so... Okay. Yeah, because I have like a... Okay. Wait, I thought I had like an error checker. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I'll fix that off stream. Maybe I was wrong about serialized taking a lifetime. I think I need to put... Oh, okay. Deserialize definitely does, though, the lifetime of the data you're deserializing, because zero copy... You can do zero copy tricks if you're freaky. Okay. I'll worry about that later. I need to fix the template thing in document first. Is that... What's the syntax icon? Rust. Hmm. Oh, is it just ampersand T? No. Does it only work in... Hmm. Oh. Wait, that's so stupid. Why? Yeah, I really need to get that plugin, huh? Wait, let's see. Okay, so that wants a DE lifetime. Okay, we got a bunch of lifetime specifiers, unused import, missing generics for a document, which I'm okay with. For now. Wait, actually no, I just have to... I just have to do that, that's easy. Okay. I like types. I miss this shit. This is one of the things that I like miss about typed languages. Like I like after learning the type system in Elm, I'm like, fuck man, like I wish every language had this. And like Rust does, basically. I mean it's a little different obviously, but like the compiler has the same level of like helpfulness. It's like, hey, try this. Okay, let's... Swift is pretty good too? Yeah. It's just too bad that you can only use it early on Apple stuff. Alright, the only errors that we have are lifetime related, and so we're good. We just need to go back to wires. Okay. So now we just have to figure out this lifetime thing. And we should be compiling, hopefully. Yeah. So yeah, this is where my brain starts to hurt a little bit. Let me clean up my documentation tabs because I feel like I've got a lot of shit in here. Okay. So since your CRDT could be deserialized from that data, you say, hey, okay, here's how I think about it. Deserialize has a lifetime. You have some data you deserialize from. You keep that data around. Since your CRDT could be deserialized from that data, you say, hey, this data has to be around as long as the CRDT is. Since the CRDT has that lifetime, which is the lifetime of the data, document needs to share the lifetime. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay. Yeah, I just want to get, like, better Rust, Yeah, I like the idea of using this Rust analyzer thing, so let's, Cock. What the heck is cock? Alias, a master plugin to rule them all since communicate LSP tool. Auto fixing, auto completion, even some code related functions. Used for a while and several Rust included. I used that specific feature. Thinking of switching to Vim. LSP servers. This hurts my brain. This hurts my brain. Rabbit holes can help here. I use IntelliJ for us specifically. Yeah, I like building my own IDE. It's like custom. I think recently I kind of revamped my my vimRC, so mercenary, polyglot. BRB, my cat is trying to eat my mail. Check syntax. Oh, this hurts my brain. Okay, this seems pretty cool. I guess I'll try this. I don't like ale, but like drinking it. Uh... Conquer of completion. Oh, I don't need completion. Okay, so let's try this, like, ale thingy. I think I already have syntax highlighting from Polyglot. What's signify again? Oh, okay, yeah. So... next thing I need is... is that all I need? Just Ailey, and then we're good? More. Yeah, we don't need that. Do I need to, like, install, like, Rust Analyzer? I guess I do. Cool. So now I need to figure out... Ugh. How do I get ALE working? Hmm. Oh, Syntastic. Wait, is that what I'm missing? Yeah, I guess I used to have Syntastic, and I just forgot. Okay. I'm just gonna comment this out for now because I don't know enough about it. And then okay. Um uh, okay, let's keep cleaning whatever the heck this is up. Oh wait, here we go. Cause like now if I do errors, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was what I was missing. Okay. So now I just need to add some of these things. Okay. Nice. Wait, this is very useful. So now what I can do is I can just like... Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is very useful. So the error here is... Okay. I think I'm kind of getting to the point now where my brain is kind of hurting. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna like call it quits for today. I'll figure, I need to read up more on like the lifetime stuff so that it doesn't hurt my head as much. And yeah, and I have some other things that I need to do off stream as well. So, but yeah, I'm glad that like, you know, we had a successful stream. I'll edit the VOD on YouTube so that, you know, we're good. And yep. So yeah, no, it's fun. Thanks everybody who stopped by. Thank you so much, all for the like pair programming. It was very helpful. Thanks for everybody who made the shit posts. Thank you, Jess, for the clip. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm about to crash myself. If you want to bounce stuff off me tomorrow or whenever, you know where to find me. Yes, definitely. I will definitely let you know. So I'm gonna git add src, git status, git add cargo.dit, git status, git commit sm, work on refactoring crdt stuff to abstract. push. Oh, thank you for the sub, Yuki. Welcome, welcome. Get push. I feel bad. I'm actually just about to end the stream, but thank you so much. I guess I'll catch you guys next time. And yeah, I plan on streaming a lot more now, so look forward to it. Night night. Bye bye.